Hey guys, hope everyone is having a good day and welcome to Eva. Before we dive into today's topic, I just wanted to say that I just started an Instagram account at the rate of EWAKSHAY official. This is Eva Akshay official. Please follow me there to get live updates on this channel. Thank you. COVID-19, a virus that has shook the whole world and caused a huge amount of loss in life, jobs, and sent major economies down the drain. But the brightest and the smartest of the world are working on vaccines and medicines at record speeds. All I want to convey is that if we set our minds onto something, we can make quantum leaps in that area. There are two things that you can do at this point of time. One, you can make the best use of this time and learn something that you always wanted to learn or something you wish to learn. Or two, you can have fun and enjoy your time and take it like a vacation that has been granted to you. There are a list of things that you can do if you have chosen the point number one. If you set your mind to do something, then the step to improvement is not as hard as you think it is. Right now, because of quarantine in a lot of countries, the digital world and digital communications have started playing a very important role in the part of running the business. Now is the perfect time to master yourself in the digital world because it's how the world is going to be from this moment on. It's going to have a significant change in the running of everyday business. By digital world, I'm talking about learning to use Microsoft Office. I understand Microsoft Office has been there for a long time. This is the perfect opportunity for you to understand and profound in that area. And another example is there are a lot of communication platforms such as Zoom, Google Meet, and social media platforms. So social media is already taken a huge impact on the way online businesses work and how retail businesses need to transform into digital world. The ability to understand and utilize social media effectively is a core skill that every professional must have. In recent years, social media has penetrated the lifestyle of our society. And this has become the primary source of communication and information from the content creators to the consumers. Also, you can use this time wisely to lift yourself intellectually. Download and read some books that help you gain more knowledge. If you don't like reading, then there are plethora of time worthy of self-improvement podcasts and videos on YouTube to learn about new topics and stay updated on this fast-changing world. Take up new projects at your work, or set some time to fulfill your personal goals, or take initiatives on doing things that you needed to complete in the near future. Maybe you can take internship roles related to your degree or the skill you have acquired because internships are a great opportunity for you to learn within the short period amount of time available. It's not going to be easy to find an internship at this point, but you will have to knock at 100 doors to be able to open one or two. Finally, since our body is performing less activities these days as we are staying at home, you can think about working on your body. You can do exercises to keep your body fit. Did you know that yoga can help you relax your body at the same time increase your cardio and circulatory health? If you don't need any of this, just walk around your house where you know it's completely safe. Don't forget to wear a mask. Finally, a quote. Personal development is a major time saver. The better you become, the lesser time it takes you to achieve your goals, said Brian Tracy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos because I want to help you reach the next level and help a lot of other people who don't know about my channel yet. So if possible, it would be great if you share it with your friends. Thank you and see you in the next video. Akshay Sanjeevi signing off.